Okay, we're going to talk about how leaderboards work, part 2. As always, I'm at Cop12 with at Cop12 Studios. Anyway, if you remember correctly, we made this leaderboard script earlier. Now, this still works, we're still going to use this. But I did this a little bit more in between time because I can't film this entire thing without going just a little bit over. So I'm just going to go ahead. I already done it for you. I'm just going to explain to you how it works. So I made a button. I anchored it so it wouldn't move. Then I gave it a script inside of it. Okay. I made a variable called dbounce. I made it equal false. This will I'll explain why later. I wrote a function, connected it down here, and I gave it, it's the touched enac, and that allows me to pass along this hit thing here, pass it up here, and then I go down here, and I put if who, which would come up here, if who's parent, that means that if you ever hit this, if their parent, find first child humanoid, then a humanoid is something that's inside all characters. So your character on Roblox has a humanoid inside it. It holds your health and your walk speed and all kinds of values like that. But, so we're just checking to make sure it has a humanoid. And if it has a humanoid, we're going one step farther. I put a variable here. If player, game out players get player from character, that's a method, a Roblox method, who dot parent. So if your character here, if assuming this actually is a character that hit it, and I'll just make something like a model with a humanoid in it, then this is going to run. It's going to equal true. So if true, if the player, if this equals true, then local defines a local cache player dot leader stats dot cache. We created this in our first one. Okay, so if cache dot value is greater than or equal to 5 and dbounce equals false. Now, people get to know what I was talking about. If dbounce equals false, then dbounce equals true. What we're trying to do is keep people from hitting this multiple times on accident, because basically if I just walk over a button, I hit it like 5 million times. So I'm debouncing to make sure that doesn't happen, because I don't minus off more cache than I wanted to. Wait 3 seconds, and then I put down here, actually, I should have done that backwards. Boom. Because they want their stuff immediately, I promise you. So, give them what they want to buy. And I misspelled buy. That kind of buy. Even what they want to buy. This is code for like whatever you want to do to give them what they want to buy here. Wait 3 more seconds. We will talk about this later, by the way, in another video. Then put dbounce to equal false. That way it's back to false. That way they can run it again 3 seconds later. So now we're going to test this. And I don't want to wait a while, so I'm going to cheat. See here, here's my value. I'm going to give myself 20 cash just right off the bat, so I don't have to wait. This is a very good thing to do whenever you're testing, because in case you want to have to wait like 12,000 cash, you don't want to wait till that 12,000 cash. You just want to do it now and test it now. So you can just change your values right there. I walk over it, 27. Go ahead and wait longer. See, there's a pretty long wait, so you gotta wait a little bit long. You can't just walk over it over and over again, but either point, it works, obviously. Obviously it works. That's how it works. Now, what say if you actually wanted to buy something? Well, I happen to have a code for that in another place. I don't want to save. Just a little bit here. I did this. This is a very complex version. Oh wait. Very complex version. It actually uses a whole other kind of script because it uses a Surface GUI, so you have to click to buy. But basically, this is a very complicated version of it. But basically, I'm gonna run you through what you need to know about it. So that's the complicated version. Basically, it clones the item that you want. So in this case, item was passed down from up here. Anyway, it clones the item, and then puts the clone.parent to equal script.parent. This is giving him a tool. It gives him a copy. It's amazing. The copy increases their walk speed. It's amazing. It's lovely. It should be used for like ever now. But yeah, what this does, see, callback item here. On complicated version of how this works. So you got down here when they buy the cream copy, passes back copy, and it uses the buy. So it gives it price 20, item C, and I basically stored my copy in lighting, I believe, or maybe not. I stored it somewhere. I really don't remember. But anyway, crap, forgot about this. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I walk over here. This has got my ads cache here. Thought it was a lovely name. Now, our normal walk speed is 16 plays per second. Just for information, this is going to do is copy. It's going to increase it to and put glitch there. This is way too slow for me. Okay. I wanted cream coffee. I need to change that logo. Anyway, drink the coffee. So see what it did was it cloned it and put it in my cloned the tool and put it in my backpack. Is the basics of what it did. So basically, really easy version is to clone the building. So right talking about cloning, you can clone the building and put it in like workspace if you're doing like a simple version of this. You know, for like your tycoons. You clone it, put it in the workspace. After you make sure they're making up the money. So see in this area here, you would clone the item and make the parent equal workspace, basically. I'll show you. So that's basically how you do it. You clone and put it in the workspace. If you're making a building. When they hit it, clone, put it in the workspace. Hit it, make sure they have the cache, take the cache from, clone it, clone the building, put it in the workspace. Life goes on. That is how you use Leaderboards. As always, I'm Matt Coxwell with Coxwell Studios. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And signing off.